Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, the thing I am going to explain now sounds very simple, and maybe some people might think it's just common sense, but over the years I have seen so many people do this wrong that I have to do this video to ensure people know and do this right. So the topic I want to cover is how to merge to a interstate. This is a very simple thing to do. I know some of you might be thinking, why do I have to know that? I just keep driving and merge onto the highway. But there are some things you have to keep in mind while merging to a highway, especially in interstate, where the speed limits will be over 70 miles per hour. So the thing that people do wrong is they just don't maintain their speed while merging to the highway. So the vehicles that will be on a highway don't have to yield to you because they are in the left lane. So understand that you will be in the right lane. So the people on the highway have the right of way by default. So either you maintain the speed that they are in and merge alongside them, or you make sure that you drive faster than them and merge ahead of them. Don't go in a speed that is a lot slower than the interstate limits. You will block people behind you and you might cause accidents as well. I have seen many cars do this over the years. So what happens is, even after entering the highway after this ramp, they keep on driving on the shoulder for a few hundred meters until they come up to the speed and then merge onto the highway, which is so wrong. And usually the vehicles on the right lane of the highway are huge 18-wheel trucks. That's the common traffic flow if you look at any highway. So those trucks can't really stop quickly. So if you enter the highway at say 50 or 60 miles per hour when the speed limit is 75, the truck would have to slow down, and you will be lucky if they slow down and don't hit you from the back, because they will be fully loaded and they can't really slow down like a car can. So let's start riding and I will merge onto this highway. I purposely stopped in this ramp to merge to this highway, and that is an interstate with a speed limit of 75 miles per hour. And I take this highway from this exact ramp a lot of times, and I have been stuck behind cars many times who do like 50 or 55 miles per hour, and it gets so difficult to merge with the traffic on the highway. Sometimes as a motorcyclist it is more important for you to maintain your speed while merging to the highway. Don't go behind a slow car. If you notice that the car ahead of you is going at a very slow speed, then slow down in the ramp itself and create more space between you and the car ahead of you, so that when you are closer to the highway you can quickly accelerate and increase your speed. So that will be a better way to merge than following the car in front of you, which is going a lot slower than the speed limits on the interstate, and you are on a smaller vehicle, so the people on the highway might not even notice you. So you are not as safe as you will be if you are in a car. So let's start riding and I will explain you what I mean. And while you are about to get closer to the highway, make sure you scan the surroundings once, just to get a clear picture of how many vehicles are approaching. now I am over the speed limit, so there is no one on the right lane. I can easily merge. And these two cars did a good job of maintaining the speed limit, so there was no issue for me to merge on to the highway along with them. Anyway, that's what I wanted to cover for this video. I hope you guys like my videos and find it useful and you are learning something out of it. Let me know in the comment section. Talk to you guys in the next one. Bye.